In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your first product in Stripe. Setting up a product on Stripe can seem like a daunting task, especially if you've never done it before, but I'm here to guide you step by step through the process, so you can get your product online and ready for sale with ease. First, let's head over to the Stripe website. A quick search for Stripe will bring you right where you need to be. Once you're on the home page, you'll find plenty of information about why Stripe is an excellent choice for managing your financial infrastructure. But today, we're focused solely on getting your product set up. The next step is to sign in to your Stripe account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is pretty straightforward, and Stripe provides plenty of guidance on how to do so. Once you're signed in, you should find yourself on the Stripe dashboard. This is essentially your command center where you can manage all of your Stripe operations. Now, from the Stripe home on your dashboard, we want to navigate to the product catalog. This is where all your products will live once added. Consider your product catalog as the digital shelf where customers can view and purchase the products you offer. In the product catalog, you'll see an option to add a product. Clicking this will bring up a new screen where you'll enter all the details about your product. This is the crucial part, where you'll define what makes your product unique and appealing. Start by giving your product a descriptive name, something that captures what it is and why it's valuable. Then, move on to the pricing details. You can choose a one-time purchase price or set up recurring payments if you're offering a subscription service. Remember, the more transparent and detailed you are with your product descriptions and pricing, the easier it will be for customers to understand what they're buying. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, it's critical to double-check everything. Errors can lead to confusion later on, so it's worth taking a few extra minutes to ensure accuracy. After you're satisfied with the setup, you can go ahead and save your product. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your first product on Stripe. Whether you're launching a digital service, a physical product, or even a subscription plan, these steps will help you get your offerings out there. With Stripe's powerful tools, you can manage payments efficiently and focus on growing your business. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Now, go ahead and start selling.